How to host the website from AWS EC2. So for EC2 website hosting, in the sense you need to create a virtual server with help of the EC2. So EC2 is the one of the service available in the AWS under the category compute. So when you have the AWS account, you can log in into AWS.com website. So you can enter the URL aws.amazon.com. So in the browser you enter this URL and press enter. Then you will be able to enter into the aws.amazon.com. So after login, you will be able to you search for, in the left hand side you are able to see here services. When you click on the services, you are able to see the variety of the categories of the various AWS services. Under the compute category, you can find a service called EC2, Elastic Compute. With the help of this Elastic Compute, you are able to create the virtual server and you can make use of that virtual server for your requirements. So as of now, we are creating an EC2 virtual server and then we host the website from this virtual server created. So you can get into compute category and you can select this EC2. Otherwise, in the search bar, you select EC2. Then you are able to see the EC2 service like this. So select this EC2 service. Now you are able to see the EC2 dashboard. Here you are able to see how many instances are running, means how many virtual services are created and how many of them are created and running, you can see here. When you want to create an instance, when you want to create a virtual computer, so just below this you can see the option launch instance. You click on this launch instance button. So when you click on this launch instance button, you are able to see this form. Here you need to enter the name of the virtual server to be created. So you enter here name of the server. So you enter here the name of the server. Let the name of the server be. We are about to create the name of the virtual computer. We are about to create here a virtual computer. So you enter here the name of the virtual server. Then just below this, you are able to see the variety of the operating systems you can load into your computer that is about to be created. So here you select only the operating system that is available, that is free tier eligible. So as of now, I have selected this AWS Linux. So to make the connection secure, you can create the key pair. So just below this, you have the option key pair login. So to create the new key pair, you click on this button. Then it will ask you to enter the name of the key pair. So as of now, I have made the key pair name as ABCDF. Then it will ask you whether you want to use RSA or any other encryption and which kind of file you want to download, you want to use. So when you click on this, a file with this extension get downloaded and this is required when you want to connect with the AWS EC2 instance. You click on this create key pair. Now you are able to see here now you are able to select here the is key pairs created. So as just now we have created ABCDE and we have asked it to use the RSA encryption standard. Now you go to this. Here, what you need to select here is you select these both of these two options. Allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. Allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Means as we are making the website available to the rest of the world, we need to allow the traffic. I mean, we need to accept the request from the users. Then you finally click on this launch instance button in the bottom. So now your instance get created. So when the instance got successfully created, you are able to see this message in the green color window. And in the EC2 dashboard, now you are able to see the number of instances are running. When you refresh, you are able to see here the number of instances running. So we have created an instance. When you click on these instances, you are able to see the instance that got created. So this is the instance we have created. After this, the next step is you select the instance you created. Then you are able to see here the option connect. So now you are about to connect with the EC2 instance that you have created. So you don't change any of these options. You can see here the public IP address of the virtual computer created. Now you click on this connect. Now in the new window you are able to see the connection to the virtual computer you have created. So now it is connecting you to the virtual computer instance server 1. After successful creation, you can create the directory and you can bring the website files into that directory. So now you can see here you got connected to the AWS Linux instance. So you have got connected to the AWS Linux instance just you have created. So now you need to execute a couple of commands. So first make yourself as the administrator or root user. So to make yourself as the root user, you can use this command sudo space su space hyphen. So when you run this command, you will be made as the root user. Now you update the computer, virtual computer you have created. So this is the one you can use to update the virtual computer you have created. So when there is nothing to do, you can see this. And here we are making use of a server called HTTPD. So HTTPD is the server through which we can make our website available to the rest of the world. You need to install the virtual server. You need to install the HTTPD web server in your computer. So to install HTTPD, you make use of this command. HTTP m install -y HTTPD. You have to give here space. So yum install space -y space httpd. So this is the command you need to use to install the httpd. then it will install into your computer, virtual computer, httpd, so which will be our web server. Then you can check the status of the virtual httpd web server you have installed in the virtual server. So you can check the status with the help of the command systemctl status httpd. So when you use this, it will show you whether it is running or what is the status. Now you can see here it is inactive and dead. As of now, we have just installed the web server HTTPD into the EC2 virtual computer instance. We will start LAN, right? So here now you create a directory. So we are creating a directory with the help of this command mkdir temp. Then you change to the directory. After that, you need to bring the website files. So here, in this example, what we are doing exactly here is there is a website called free-css.com. So if a small letter. So from this website, you can get some dummy websites. So you download the zip file of one of the websites into this folder. So let me show you that site. So this is the site from where you can get the dummy websites. freecss.com. So you can see here some dummy websites. So here you can see three dummy websites. So you select one of them. When you select it, in the next screen you are able to see that website. And now you are able to see here a download button. You right click on this download button and select copy link. Now you go to your virtual instance. Now what we need to do here is we need to bring the zip file of the website. We need to bring the zip file of the website into this one. So for that we are using this. wget is the command which let us bring the zip file, bring the website files into this folder. So you right click and select paste as plain text. Then you press enter. Now it will bring the zip file of the website into this folder. So you can check what is present inside this with the help of the command ls space -l. So this is the one which we have brought from freecss.com into our folder in the virtual computer. Now you unzip this with the help of the command unzip. You just type C then press and just press the tab. You are able to see the file. Now it has unzipped everything from this. So the next step we have to do here is to make the just now I have told you that we are using HTTPD server for web server for making the website available to the rest of the world. So you need to bring the files into a folder specific to that. So mv space star space. So this is the folder specific to the HTTPD web server through which we are making the website available to the rest of the world. So you bring mv means move. Star means all the files of the current folder. So we are moving all the files of the current folder into where www html. Now you press and enter. Now everything got moved. You can check it. So let us change to the directory. Now you can see what is there. So we have this one, carvilla-v1.0. I mean everything that is present in this, they are moved to this one now because of this mv space star space. Because of this command, everything got moved to this folder. In the temp folder, we have the zip file, and there is some file which was unzipped. Right. The next thing you have to do here is you start the HTTP D server. So this is the command you can use to, excuse me. So this is the one you can use. So as of now we are so you enable and you start the HTTP web server. Okay. Now you can see the public address of the computer we have created. You just copy this. So in the new tab, you copy this and you add here the name of the directory which is hosting the website files. So you copy this and just beside this you paste, and now you press enter. Excuse me. Carvilla v1.0. So that is the name of the directory which is hosting the website files. So public IP of the virtual computer. Now you are able to see the website which was hosted from AWS EC2 website, EC2 virtual computer instance. Okay, thank you. Now you are able to, so you practice this. Thank you.